Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to connect Binance to CoinMarketCap. So download CoinMarketCap from your App Store or Google Play and sign in with your account, right? You can use Google, Apple, etc. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Portfolio at the bottom, right? And click Portfolio 2 at the top here. Next to it, you're going to see like an arrow, top and bottom. Just press it, and your window will show up. Hit New at the bottom right. Okay. The third option is Connect Binance account. You can now securely sync assets from your Binance account without using API key. Just go ahead and continue and name it Binance Portfolio and continue with Binance. Give access to CoinMarketCap so they can open Binance, right? And you can see that they will ask you for authorization, right? And all you gotta do is just hit confirm, right? And your portfolio will be here shortly. Basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.